Okay guys, another quick update. I've got the BMS up and running, and I've got the cables, the balance leads all wired. Just for interest's sake, on the Smart Ant BMS, you can wire the balance leads in first before you wire the negative, as per their video. I tested that, so I hope that helps someone else. You won't blow up anything. Yeah, so all the balance wires are connected. It looks a lot neater on this side. I warn you, the other side looks like crap. The reason for that is I need to do cable management. So let's go over here. This is just testing it and the BMS on LTO cells. So that looks horrific. I realize, horrific, a rat's nest over there. So if you more experienced battery builders have got some suggestions on how I can neaten that, besides shortening, I want the last option, but I think I'm going to have to just shorten. One by one, desolder all those ring terminals over there. But I'd like to avoid that, so if there is any other way around that, let me know. But yeah, as I said, I'm just testing now. It was laborious trying to connect each of these. It was like living a nightmare again, but not as bad because it was just disconnecting the bolts, so it felt a little bit safer. Yeah, so cable management. Over there you'll see an old shitty battery. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that on YouTube, but anyway, an old 12-volt battery. And what it's doing, you'll see there's that's the input. You can actually feel it sucking air in. And over here, this is, focus, this is an output. You can actually feel it blowing air out over here. So it's cycling air from, I don't know what's wrong with this focus, sorry guys. So it's cycling air through the actual system, or the BMS box, and it's actually working. It's keeping the balance temperature down, so I'm sure it'll keep the MOSFET temperature down quite a bit. Obviously, let's try open here, one-handed, so you can see the Smart BMS is in here. Quite a jam, but I think it's good that it's tight. You can actually see, no, you guys can't see the balance light, but you can see it reflecting onto the side there that it's on. Yeah, it's quite a tight fit, so it can't move around. That's the input fan, that's the output fan, and it's sucking air through it. Okay, obviously it doesn't work when the cover's off. Yeah, so I can't show you the app now because I'm filming with my phone, but what I'll do is on my next video I'll actually show you that it's balancing the cells. All the cells seem to be pretty balanced already, so I had to tweak the settings so that it looks on the app that they're not balanced. But yeah, it is balancing. Yeah, so that's where I am, and yeah, cable management is the next major thing. Anyway, this video is already too long. Let me know what you guys think.